Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So here we are looking at complete the composition. And in this case, a few things that I often tell people. One is, what key are we in? We're technically in the key of F major, but if you decide you want to throw some different notes in there to spice it up a little bit, that is your choice. You just need to make sure you mark them. The other thing is we're in 3/4. So when you get to the end of the written part out, if you want to change it into 4, that is your choice. But here is the opening without the last 4 measures, which is your own composition. You have your 4 measures that you fill in yourself. So I'm going to do something with it that I feel fits the song and remains tonally accurate, and by that I mean staying with F as the key, which means our E's and A's, if I use them, will be natural second valve. And moving on now. I'm doing this during lunch hour at school, and you can hear the kiddies down the hall. All right, so here we are with the Riddle Song. Three flats, B's, E's, and A's, and now let's pull that back a little bit in tempo. Bring out those accents a little more. Alright, lunch must have just finished because nobody knows the trouble I've seen trying to do things during lunch. Alright, so key change in the key of F. E's and A's are natural second valve. B's are still flat. Don't want to get into 1, 2, 3 because I missed my 4 valver, but here we go. 1 and a big jump. A down to C. That is a 6-note jump down. So that's pretty large. So I want to make sure kind of drop a little bit to make that happen. All right. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.